Well, being here for 33 years, I've been here for most of their run in America, and I've seen a lot of changes, but Okuma is a stable, successful company, and I'm glad to be a part of it.
Okuma has changed a lot over the last 35 years, and I think one thing that Okuma has done really well is embracing new technology, be it in machine tools or in things that are a little bit outside of machine tools in the peripherals or different kinds of manufacturing, and also embracing new operating systems, which are a challenge to implement, but certainly needed to continue to help us grow in the future.
Okuma's 35-year anniversary to me shows a company that's made a lot of progress within our industry, a company that has strived to be unique, a company that has honestly lived their mission.
There's a great foundation here in Charlotte and all the right people in the right places throughout the country.
It means a lot to me. It says a lot about the company, the longevity. Definitely something you can appreciate.
Okuma has changed over the last 35 years tremendously. From the time I got here to this day, things are different. They're better because we're always growing. We're always trying to make things better. We're always looking into new technology. So our goal is to keep up with the times, but it's to stay ahead of the times. So that's what we're doing. So we're doing good.
It's a huge milestone, and it shows how far we've come over the past 35 years and how technology has advanced so much. I know back then there's no clue that they would be where we're at today, but the best is just going to keep on coming. And